Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Zlatko. Today I'm gonna do my first ever unboxing of anything on this channel. Usually I only play like gaming videos, but I decided like if I want to do YouTube and have more fun, I kind of have to expand my horizons and do different things. So I'll not try to make it look like a Hollywood production. I'll just try to make it like a regular unboxing where I just show you what's in the box, and I really hope you kind of like it, because I guess that's the point of the YouTube, trying to find people who like your content. So yeah, so the reason why I got the Google Pixel 4 is I needed a phone that had like a support for custom ROMs, and this is the best one that you can get for that. That is not that big, that is not that small, that can fit in your pants, that's what she said. And it has a good camera, and this is the one that has a good camera. Only downside of this phone is the battery. Battery is like a 2800 milliamperes. That is like really bad. So I bought this thing from Facebook Marketplace. The person that sold me this phone said to me that the phone was only used for a couple of hours because his son didn't like Pixel. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna trust you. I don't trust him because it's the internet, and we all know that you can't trust anyone on the internet. So let's unbox this thing and see if it's actually good or bad. I'm just gonna do unboxing. If you want to see me like making the video like 1 month of using Google Pixel in 2024, let me know. Also, this is like a 5-year-old phone, so I think for my needs it's going to be more than enough, because I use WhatsApp, Gmail, I scan items for my work and play Pokemon Go, and I can do all of that, so I think it's going to work. So yeah, let's open the box and see what's in the box. That was kind of weird, but yeah. It says Google. Over here you have information about the phone. You have like a side of the phone. This phone was made in black, white and orange color. I think only black and white. Had like a glossy part. Orange color had like some weird texture on it, and on the top you have like a Google logo. On the side it says Google. So yeah, let's unbox this thing. Okay, so we open the thing. We have like a cardboard, nothing special. We get the phone. The phone, yeah, as you can see, it has like some glow to it. It has reflection, you can see me. Yeah, like nothing special. It looks good. Okay, we are going to come back to phone a little bit later. I'm gonna put it on the side. We have papers. You have this thing that's like, it's a cardboard, like I don't know, like it's there. So we have the papers. We have a SIM tool that I will probably use later to like a transfer SIM card. You have a cable, and we also have something inside of it. It's a USB, like a OTG adapter. Basically what you do with it, if your phone doesn't have like a memory card or anything like that, you can just plug like a regular USB, and then the phone will get that USB, and you can transfer stuff between USB and the phone. You can also like I don't know, plug like a headphones or whatever you want. I think you can plug like a Logitech headphones or anything that's powered by USB, or you can like connect the mouse or the keyboard. Usually if you have like a broken screen, you can just connect the mouse and use that stuff. And yeah, basically that's it. And also we have this thing. This is a power brick. It's like a C to C. I kind of like it. The charging is like a very slow, but the battery is again like not even like a 3000 milliamperes. So this is going to be more than enough to charge your phone in less than an hour, because right now every phone is like charged in about 1 hour. So this is fine, I guess. So yeah, basically that's everything that you have in a box. This is kind of cool that they actually included this thing inside of it, because for other phones that are way more expensive, you have to buy power brick, and that thing costs like a $50 and more. So let's go back to the phone. You have like a camera up there. You have like a Google logo down there. That's kind of cool. Below is the USB-C, the speakers. On this side is like a nothing. Yeah, over here is like a SIM tray, and on the top is, I don't know what is that on the top. And now we have the phone. Let's see the camera. The camera is not that bad. Yeah, look at me. I look fat, but who cares, right? It has like a 90 hertz screen refresh rate. That's kind of cool. It's Android 13. I don't know what else to expect from like a phone that's, I don't know, that's like a 5 years old. See, like this is the reason why people hated this phone, because the chin and the forehead are like way too big. I mean, the forehead is like a way bigger than the chin. So the beautiful case, dude. It's like a fake leather one. Maybe it's a good feeling in the hand. So yeah, the phone looks kind of good in this case. See the power button, the volume button. This is for if you want to put like the rope, right, and put it around your neck. I don't know, it's not that bad. So yeah, if you want to see more videos about Pixel 4, let me know in the comment section and I can actually make it. So yeah, thanks for watching and peace out.